Hi, this is Sheetal. Today's video is all about vitamin C, this natural ingredient that is making the headlines. Everybody wants to use vitamin C on their skin, and I'll tell you right now there is a very good reason for that. Now, vitamin C in its natural form is a phenomenal ingredient. It has skin firming properties, it has skin brightening properties, and it can do so much good to the skin in terms of its internal health improvement and also the appearance externally. So let's go right into it. Towards the end of the video, I will show you a remedy using vitamin C that you can use right at home. And I will say, if you are watching this on YouTube, then definitely take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. Okay, the first benefit of using vitamin C on your skin, internally and externally both, is that vitamin C can promote the build-up of collagen in your skin. So collagen is a structural protein which, when in great shape, gives your skin that firmness and the youthful, tight look that all of us desire so much. Now, if we are deficient in vitamin C, or if our lifestyle is lacking, so free radical production is out of hand, which is causing the collagen to break down more than build up, then of course, you can expect early lines and wrinkles, sagging skin, and so many other signs and symptoms of aging. So then, related to that is the second benefit of vitamin C, is the fact that it is an antioxidant, a very effective antioxidant that mitigates, reduces the amount of free radicals in your body. So when that happens, the damage due to these free radicals is also minimized and reduced. So when that happens, of course, you can expect your skin to be firmer, youthful. You can expect lines and wrinkles to be much diminished in appearance, and really honestly, you can also expect issues like dark spots or unevenness or dullness to be very much under control or on their way to being reduced. And I'm going to wrap up by making a very interesting point. And the point is that if you're going to use vitamin C on your skin from a natural source, let's say lemon juice or other fruit extracts, then you are also getting, along with vitamin C, an alpha hydroxy acid on your skin. And that alpha hydroxy acid is citric acid, because these natural sources not only contain vitamin C, which as you can see is phenomenal, they will also give your skin the restorative and the regenerative qualities or benefits of the citric acid, because as an alpha hydroxy acid, it will help exfoliate your top layers very quickly. So the layers healthy and hiding underneath are going to come to surface that much more quickly. So you can expect a very glowing and radiant look, and of course the look of dark spots and hyperpigmentation to be much reduced. So before we go into the home remedy, if you're wondering if there is any one product at Apsara that we offer which is a wonderful source of vitamin C, then I will say the news is awesome. It's great news. It's our latest addition to the Apsara suite of products. It's the Ayurvedic Vitamin C Natural Glow Serum. It's an all-natural product. Of course, the vitamin C comes from natural sources. There are other antioxidants in it that come from rose, from turmeric, and so many different Ayurvedic ingredients that need no introduction. They're pretty phenomenal. So all you need is a dab, a little bit, AM and PM, and that will give you enough natural vitamin C to your skin. And in a short period of time, this little bottle has done phenomenally well. We have some very good reviews of this product. So I will say, if you are a user, I would love to hear from you. Why don't you please take a moment and in comments below tell me what your experience with this vitamin C product has been. So once again, it is the Ayurvedic Vitamin C Skin Glow Serum from Apsara Skincare. Okay, let's get started and let me teach you this very easy vitamin C based home remedy that is meant to increase the glow, radiance and clarity of your skin, and hopefully also reduce significantly the appearance of dark spots and unevenness. So let's get started. The first ingredient would be 1/8 teaspoonful of instant coffee, And if you're wondering why instant coffee, then I will say two things. First, it is a wonderful source of antioxidants, natural antioxidants. And secondly, it has some skin diuretic properties. So that means is that it can help you get rid of excess fluid buildup in your skin. So your skin then ends up looking firmer and fresher and not puffy. Alright, ingredient number 2 is 1/8 teaspoonful of turmeric powder. And turmeric, known as haldi in Hindi, in Sanskrit, also doesn't need an introduction. I love this ingredient. It's a beautiful source of curcumin, which is an antioxidant. So, and it's been known in the Indian Ayurvedic system for its skin beautifying properties over a span of thousands of years. So nothing new about turmeric as such. It deserves to be in every, or we deserve turmeric to be part of our skincare routine. Alright, so the third ingredient, which actually is the source of vitamin C and citric acid in this remedy, is 1 teaspoonful of freshly squeezed lemon juice. So make sure that your lemon juice is freshly squeezed. It's not the bottle kind, because that has lost its enzymatic action and isn't going to be as effective. The last ingredient for this remedy is 8 to 10 drops of high quality vitamin E oil. Not only does it nourish your skin, but it also is a very good antioxidant which will minimize and reverse free radical damage that is part of our metabolism really, and which can cause issues like dark spots and early aging as well. Alright, so instructions, very easy. Mix all the ingredients together very well. Use a fork, use a spoon, whatever you like. And then this is a dab-on remedy. So you're going to dip a cotton ball in the mix and you're going to apply it all over your skin and let it sit for about, I want to say, anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes, but no more than that. And then wash it off with lukewarm water and apply your daily skincare routine right after. So in the end, I really hope that you enjoyed today's topic about vitamin C and you also enjoyed the remedy and you will use it. And if you do, please share your photos with us in comments below. If you would like me to discuss any other topic or show you remedies, for any other concern that you have in mind, then don't be shy. Feel free to communicate with me in comments below as well. And up until the next time, I will say take care, go natural, it is good karma.